Easter traditions in Czech.
Hody, hody, doprovody.
Yeah, boy.
Heavy beer drinkers, the Czechs.
Oh, come on, it's cheaper than water! I'm saving money here!
Czech Republic is a paradise.
Czech castles. So yes, today let's talk about this beautiful country, the Czech Republic. First of all, do you even know where is Czech Republic located? Czech Republic is a Central European landlocked country. It is small but really beautiful. It is considered to be the heart of Central Europe. Secondly, the Czechians. Generally, you can imagine them to be atheist. Yeah, Czech Republic is the most atheistic countries in the world. 81% of their entire population declared themselves as religiously unaffiliated. They believe more in science than religion. Less smiling.
Typického Čecha, bohužel úplně ne někoho, kdo se moc usmívá.
Yeah, they don't smile much. They believe that they need to have a strong reason to smile.
That's what they say. If you smile for no reason, you're a fool.
Or we don't allow people to come to us that easily.
That's a true.
And due to all these, it gives other an intuition that they are very cold-hearted and emotionless. But believe me, it's totally a myth. As soon as you know the truth themselves, you will realize that they do care a lot and they do smile. Out for mushrooming. Yeah, you can find almost all Czechs doing this.
What about this one?
I don't know.
This is one of their favorite pastime. That is to go out and pick up wild edible mushrooms and bring home to cook them.
Gotta leave a bit so it grows again. So you never cut the whole thing, so the nature can heal.
With socks in their sandals.
Ponožky a sandály. Takže bych to asi ukončila.
Yeah, some Czechs follow this. But it is generally more of a male thing. And to be precise, only older men who like style in dressing wear this. But no younger generation is seen to follow this kind of fashion. Watching hockey and soccer.
Socek throws this down. This is Mazepus. And here is Ondřiček and he scored! He has capped his debut with a goal.
Ice hockey and soccer are among the two leading sports in Czech Republic, which almost all Czechians follow.
Sulak scores!
Sulak has got two other goals very much like this.
Ice hockey is their national game and played more. And in fact, Czech Republic is on top of Ice Hockey League. With a big jar of beer in their hand.
Beer! Yes, beer.
Well, what can you expect if something is cheaper than water?
Beer really is cheaper than water in the Czech Republic.
Yes. And Czechians have highest per capita consumption of beer in the entire world. which is nearly 150 liter per person per year. So don't get shocked if your Czechian girlfriend drinks faster than you.
Yes. Na zdraví.
Highly educated and hardworking. Well, what can you expect if country's literacy rate is nearly 99.83%? Yes, Czech Republic is among the top 10 literate countries in the entire world. And on top of that, they work for more than 45 hours a week, which shows how hardworking they are. And combining their hard work with high literacy rate accounts for merely 3% unemployment in this country. Now combining less unemployment with hard-working nature of those highly educated people results in Czech being one of the safest countries across the globe. So that's how a typical Czech looks like. Generally.
No, takže typický Čech pro mě jako pejorativně je chlápek, co má kraťasy, ponožky v sandálích, pivko, teďka se hraje hokej, že jo, takže zadanávat si na kluky, jak to prostě nezvládli a
Now comes the most awaited Czech Easter tradition,